Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Salesforce org. First, you need to understand the various types of Salesforce organizations available to you. This crucial initial step ensures you select the best fit for your specific requirements, whether for development, testing, or live business operations. Next, navigate to the official Salesforce website to initiate the registration process. This straightforward procedure will guide you through setting up your new environment, preparing you for success with the platform. The Developer Edition org is perfect for individuals looking to learn the Salesforce platform and build custom applications. It offers full access to a wide array of platform features, allowing you to experiment and innovate without cost. This free environment comes with 200 megabytes of data storage and 10 megabytes of file storage, providing ample space for your projects. It's an excellent starting point for anyone diving into Salesforce development. Sandbox orgs are essential for any serious Salesforce implementation, serving as isolated copies of your production environment. They allow you to develop and test new features, configurations, and code without impacting your live business operations. Salesforce offers 4 distinct types: Developer, Developer Pro, Partial Copy, and Full Sandbox, each providing varying levels of data and file storage. Selecting the right sandbox type is crucial for effective development and testing workflows. Your production org is the live environment where your business operations run daily. Before deploying any changes, meticulous planning of your data model, security settings, and user access is paramount. Always ensure comprehensive testing in a sandbox environment to catch any potential issues or conflicts. This rigorous approach minimizes risks and ensures a smooth, stable, and secure operational environment for all your users, safeguarding your critical business processes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.